guys! Nick just got home from work and we're about to go for a little speed walk or speed jog. I don't really know yet. He's already complaining about it. He keeps saying he wants to do these things and then he doesn't actually want to do them. So I said, come on, we're going to get moving and go do it because me and Linda have been doing it without him. So he came home from work and took a shower and now he's going to go exercise. I don't really get it. I don't know. Elena's over here riding on her toy. Bounce! Bounce! Has a little ball under it so she can bounce and ride. It makes noises. Come on! Come on! Come on! She doesn't really like to make the wheels move the way they're supposed to move, I guess. Bye! Good do it.
Ready, guys?
Nick just walked out of the bathroom and I was trying to do that. He's like, oh, that's impossible unless you're really strong. I guess he's really strong.
No.
He said, don't do this if you have to squirt.
Ow! I stepped on my hand.
He just pooped himself while running.
I have to sit down. Oh, come on.
Hi, honey. Getting Daddy's work soda cans. We just ate a little bit of watermelon, me and mine. We just did that while Nick was in the bathroom. I went over there too.